Welcome to ET Song Galaxy. This is take 2. Um, Today we would like to share with you something that's very common, such as like a stubborn nail. And it happens all the time. And for many, many years, I myself have been trying to find a way to remove a stubborn nail. And so I'm going to demonstrate, and hopefully it works for you, and it really works really well. And it's very simple. Let me remove this other hammer. Okay, so just take a regular household hammer, and I discovered when you pull just one way and yank, you're going to be struggling and struggling and struggling. The other simple way is just go to the side. Okay, so I can't shake too much because this camera might bounce off. But anyway, try going to the left side and put good pressure. Oh, it looks like it's coming out real nice as it is. And guess what? It's instead of going straight on like I was first doing like this, or the other way, turning it completely around and going straight on, trying to pull it out, you're going to have some complications. But anyway, try to the left or to the right to say sideways. And looky here. Look how simple that is. Very, very simple. It's out. See that? It's gone. This is one of these old stubborn nails that just usually won't come out. Anyway, we try that. And there's also one more thing here. Let's see if I can put it on the camera here. Well, no, it's got to go higher to demonstrate this other one. Hold on. See if I can work this out. Hold on. I'm trying to set something up here. There we go. Okay, for this next demonstration, you can see a screw. And this is a screw that's stubborn too. Very stubborn. So, all you need is a 4-pound hammer like this, a big heavy duty, and hit it to, let's see, to the east, to the west, or to the other side, to the east, or hit it north or south. Okay? And what's going to happen, it's going to become weak and it'll just break off. I didn't use the tripod today, so once again, I don't want the camera to shake off and fall. So I'm going to remove this and hit it myself, and be right back. You can pretty much hear the pounding. Okay. And anyway, up. Guess what? There you go. You see, it came right off. So here's the screw that was stubborn, and it wouldn't come off the wood 2x4, and it's off. So just hit it to the east to the west, to the north, to the south, with a big 4-pound hammer. And these heavy-duty hammers really come in handy when you got stubborn stuff. And that's it. And because the other side of the wood, the screw was just too deep, and I couldn't get to it. So that's the trick behind it. Okay, thank you very much. This was the end of July, and probably will be uploaded on the first week of August 2017. Have a good day. So, happy home projects, and YouTube has many varieties, and that's a good thing about it.